We begin tonight at 6 with a man accused of raping 8 older women in their East Side homes. He's likely going to stay in jail throughout his criminal case. 13 News was there today as Daryl Goodloe left court for the first time.
We have video of him leaving the court, but we're not showing his face because police want to protect the investigation of some possible other rape cases. Rich Nye was there in court today where the judge increased Goodloe's bond.
37-year-old Daryl Goodloe made his initial court appearance Thursday morning on 57 charges, including 22 counts of rape against 8 women more than 20 years older than him. We are blurring Goodloe's face because investigators are concerned about jeopardizing future identifications by any potential victims or witnesses. Goodloe is accused of disguising himself and his voice, breaking into homes, and repeatedly sexually assaulting older women for hours.
I've only met with him one time in regards to this case, and that was basically to go over all the charges. And there's 57 different charges, and to go over the probable cause affidavit. But quite candidly, we really didn't get into defenses and his position. It was just too early for that.
Most of the attacks over the past 13 months happened within a few miles of the small apartment complex where Goodloe lived with his mother. Police say a fingerprint lifted from the most recent attack matched Goodloe and led to a DNA match to evidence at all 6 crime scenes.
As prosecutors, we're kind of in this unique position where we get past the ball and we take it over the, we score the touchdown, but at the end of the day, we wouldn't be here without the work of crime lab and law enforcement and the screening prosecutors who worked so hard and all the survivors that were brave enough to trust us with their stories.
The judge raised bond from $200,000 to $500,000. Goodloe's attorney says his client does not have the money to make bail.
We believe in this case that that bond was appropriate given the number of victims and the number of crimes that were committed and the amount of terror that he brought to the community.
The victims are 58 to 77 years old.
Goodloe's trial now set for 2022, January 31st. Metro Police say they're not aware of any other victims at this time, but they are withholding Goodloe's booking photo to protect positive identification if more victims come forward.